Have you ever encountered a frustrating error while coding, only to feel completely baffled by it? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a common Java issue involving non-capturing lambdas and serialization. I understand how annoying it can be when your code throws unexpected exceptions, especially when you think you've done everything right. You're definitely not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user wrote some Java code that uses a non-capturing lambda, but still encountered a serialization issue. They expected the lambda to be serializable without capturing the enclosing instance, but they received a not serializable exception. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's going on here? In Java, even non-capturing lambdas can sometimes capture their enclosing instance, especially when they are used in a context that requires serialization. This can lead to unexpected behavior, like the exception our user faced. And stick around. I have a crucial insight at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. First, let's clarify the issue. The user is encountering a not serializable exception when trying to serialize a lambda expression. This happens because the lambda is implicitly capturing the enclosing instance of the main class. To resolve this, the user can modify the lambda expression to ensure it does not capture the enclosing instance. One way to do this is by using a static method or a static inner class. For example, the user can create a static method that returns a new thread. This way, the lambda will not capture the main instance and serialization will succeed. By implementing this change, the user should be able to serialize the lambda without encountering the not serializable exception. This aligns with the Java language specification regarding lambda expressions and serialization. Fun fact, the concept of lambda expressions in programming languages was inspired by the lambda calculus, which dates back to the 1930s. It's amazing how far we've come in coding. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that anonymous classes always reference their enclosing instance when created in a non-static context. In the case of a lambda, the this keyword refers to the enclosing instance, not the lambda itself. Therefore, if you have an anonymous class inside a lambda, it captures the instance of the surrounding class, which can lead to serialization issues if that instance is not serializable. To resolve this issue, the user suggests two possible solutions. First, create the lambda in a static context, such as within a static method, or by assigning it to a static field. Second, replace the anonymous class with a static nested class. Here's the insight I promised. Always be mindful of what your lambdas are capturing. This awareness can save you from unexpected serialization issues down the line. And there you have it. You should now have a clearer understanding of non-capturing lambdas and serialization in Java. Remember, being aware of what your lambdas capture is key to avoiding these pitfalls. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more coding tips, and don't miss our next video where we tackle more Java challenges.